Root mean square velocity of a gas is a concept in kinetic theory of gas. Irrespective, it doesn't matter in root mean square velocity whether it's monatomic gas, diatomic gas, or a triatomic gas. It makes no difference to the root mean square velocity. The only difference is obviously their masses are different, and therefore the value of the small m is different. Okay, so under root of 3k T2. My T2 is the new temperature for half the velocity. Okay, I am not able to, I cannot change the gas, right? The gas is M. So whether I change the volume temperature, it is still the same gas. So I will write it as 3k T1 upon M. So I will write it divided by 2 because my new temperature has to be reduced to do what? It is to be reduced to change the velocity, RMS. So what goes? 3k goes, M goes. So under root of T2 becomes equal to under of T1 upon 2. So T2 is equal to T1 upon 4. So my new temperature is how much? T1 by 4. So I have to reduce my temperature to 1 by 4. Right? What do I do with this? I know my second equation. Right? I will select, I'll go to these equations and say which one is good. So I know this is good because it links temperature and volume. TD gamma minus 1. So I'm going to write T₁V₁ gamma minus 1 is equal to T₂V₂ gamma minus 1. I know my T1, so let's write T1. I know V1. I mean, I know means I have assumed the volume to be V1, temperature to be T1. What is gamma? So it is 1.5 minus 1. In this question, I had to use gamma, which actually is used in an adiabatic process. Remember, there is no gamma in VRMS. It's dependence on temperature and inversely proportional to mass. It is equal to T2, right? So T2 is, now T2 is T1 by 4, right? I have reduced the temperature to 1.4. Now I have to worry about my volume. But focus is what should be the volume, new volume, so that the VRMS reduces to half. So I'm going to write this as 1.5 minus 1 T, right? So 4V1.5 is equal to V2 into 0.5, right? So this basically what is this? This is, if I rewrite this, what exactly is this? This is 4 root of V1 is equal to root of V2, right? Power of 1 by 2 is nothing but root. Squaring both the sides, 16V1 is equal to V2, right? So the volume has to be expanded 16 times the original volume. You have to increase the volume by 16 times to achieve what you have, right? So I hope you like this question and the quick revision of this concept of adiabatic process and RMS coming together. For those who are preparing for JEE Mains, very important question. For those who are preparing for NEET, don't look at the mixing of the concept. Understand how the concepts of the adiabatic process separately and understand the concept of root mean square velocity separately because it helps you in your examination.